everybody, welcome back. So I'm just gonna make this video really quick. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I posted something and I told you guys that I've been kind of dealing with a lot these past couple days, and I kind of fell behind with like my planner already in the new year. And but I had already decorated it. I just didn't have a chance to record it, and I didn't get a chance to write on anything yesterday. But I want to start writing on stuff for today. So, and before I do that, I want to show you what my planner looks like. So I just quickly wanted to show you how I decorated it for this week. Yeah, this is just going to be a quick video. So the first thing I can say about this super big planner, remember I showed you guys this one that I decided to get, and this is the first time that I ever used a really big one. And so far what I can say about it is I don't like that it didn't have the numbers, so I had to put those numbers up here, and that means I will need to go to Michael's or a craft store and get a sticker book that has nothing but numbers in it, because none of the pages are numbered, which I don't like. But besides that, what I did was I had a lot of these little cutouts that I had got a long time ago. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, I hauled these. I cannot even remember the company name. It was like a scrapbook company, and I got these little cards or little things a long time ago. They're not stickers, they were just cutouts. So I wanted to use that because I thought they were super cute, as well as the new washi tape that I had just got from Michael's. As you can see, this one, the little characters and everything. So I just put those together, and this is what I came up with. So basically, and I thought I brought the washi with me, but I didn't. So basically I just put this up here. It kind of looks scalloped right there with the pink and the white. Super cute. My inspiration was this little Sweets house, which I think is super cute. And so I put that there. I used some washi around the border, and then I put some macaroons. This is also a little thing that came in this set. So this is my meal prep, so I'll write out a few things that I want to have for the rest of the week. My to-do, I just added this washi tape right here, and it'll be kind of like bullets. So each little face will symbolize a little bullet where I'll write next to. And that's why I put that there. Then a little note section, cute little coffee cup and some beans. My to-do, these will also symbolize as little bullets of what I need to do for Wednesday. And what else? Coffee, because adulting is hard. And I basically just pulled stickers and stuff out of everything that I had. Like for the numbers, I used this book from Target. This is the collection that I was talking about that I just got from Michael's. So I used those stickers, and then there's a few things from this one, which is the Tiny Planet stickers. So there's a few out of there, and then I use a few from out of these two books that I got from Michael's as well. And so then over here I just did a don't forget, and right here it says enjoy more, and then I need to write out a few things that I need to slow down and try to enjoy more of, like maybe reading, trying to relax in the evening, drink more tea. You know, I need to lay off the coffee. Some days I'm like, I drink too much coffee. Even I only drink it once a day, but I used to not drink it once a day, and now I do. It's like I have to have it. So I was thinking about just adding some to-do lists like right here for other stuff. Treat yourself, that's on Saturday. I wanted to go grab something that I want to get for myself, and then I just added some other cute little things right here. Planning time Saturday, that's usually when I try to sit down and write out what videos I plan on doing for the following week. And so that's why I put that little sticker with the camera and then a little computer, and it says hustle. All that is for me to plan on my next week. And then special delivery on Friday, I need to drop something in the mail for a friend, and that's pretty much it. So this is what it looks like. Pooh Bear is behind me playing with a toy, if you guys can hear that. But like I said, I have a lot going on today. I just quickly wanted to record this for you guys, and that way I can, you know, start writing in it, because I totally missed Monday or yesterday. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I said I would start showing you guys my planner again, and yeah, hopefully I can stick with it. Oh yeah, I put the little TV right here because I have the little show that I'm gonna watch tonight. What is it called? 90 Day Fiance or something like that. Yeah, that. Okay, you guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little planner, maybe gave you a little bit of ideas. I don't really have a set way to plan or decorate my planner. I just kind of go through my stickers, and whatever pops out, that's kind of the theme that I'll go with, and then that's how I do it. So I will talk to you guys soon in another video. Bye.